Hi guys, it's Saturday. We just had breakfast and coffee. I'm almost done packing. Let me show you guys the sitch. Clothes are in here. It's still open because I'm gonna add like a couple pairs of leggings in here. And then in here, my carry-on. And I'm gonna be using this bag for my personal item, my base work tote. I'm about to do my nails. Good morning, friends. Day in my life, travel edition. Here we are, bright and early at the airport. My husband didn't travel with me this time, but he did walk me all the way to security because he's such a gentleman, of course. Then I was walking to my gate. I like to get my little steps in at this airport. If you know, you know. I secured the Starbucks and got right on the plane, and it was so empty. So, you know, I got comfortable, pulled out my makeup, did a little daytime glam moment. Here's the finished look. Then I spread out throughout those seats. I got comfortable, was watching my telenovelas, had a snack, and before I knew it, look at that perfect flat grid. I love it so much. I changed because we went from 30 to 70 degrees, so something light, because look at this sunshine. So beautiful, so happy to be home. First stop was brunch with the girls. We had some mimosas and some really yummy breakfast. Then I went and hung out with my fam for a little bit, went over to my best friend's house, did her daughter's makeup for her Sweet 16 photo shoot. Look at this beautiful girl. Like, have you seen a more beautiful Sweet 16? We went to the venue where she had her photo shoot. She killed it. I came home, had dinner with my parents, chilled out for a bit, took a shower, FaceTime my husband, and when I tell you, I crashed the F out. Hi guys, good morning. How are you? We are in Arizona. I've actually been here since Sunday. Today's Thursday. It was my first time vlogging on this camera. I've kind of just been running around with my family, my mom, my sister. We've been just hanging out. And he just got in last night. So I feel like now's a proper time to start vlogging. Just because...
Yeah, I'm here. Super Bowl week, birthday week.
His birthday's tomorrow.
Son just got KD.
Oh my gosh.
You know, so...
Energy is up there.
It's definitely up. But yeah, excited to be back. It's been, what, since last summer? Since we've been out here? So yeah, barely getting here, really. So... I'm ready for some good food.
Yep, it's about 8:30. We are downtown Phoenix, about to have some breakfast. So let's go see what it's looking like in there. All right, here's our breakfast. I got the blueberry pancakes, side of bacon, and my husband got eggs Benny. About to go. We finished breakfast. Got so full.
Fire. Really good breakfast.
Matt's Big Breakfast is great. If ever you're in Phoenix and need a breakfast place. So we're just going for a walk through downtown, get some coffee, see what we find, and yeah, enjoy the city. It's really nice. It's like sunny, probably like 50 degrees, I don't know, but it's cool, it's nice, sun's out. So we're just going for a nice little post-breakfast walk. Hi friends, good morning. Today's Friday, February 10th. It's my husband's birthday, so we are staying at a resort for a few days. So I'm just getting myself ready. But everything's been going really well. My husband got here 2 nights ago, and so yesterday we just kind of spent running around. Today we're going out and about in Scottsdale. They have like a lot, that's where they're set up for the to do like their shows, like their live broadcasts. Coffee and breakfast, of course. I found a really cool coffee shop nearby, so we're gonna do that, grab some breakfast, And yeah, anything my husband wants today, he's getting. So we're going around wherever he wants to go. It's his day. And I'm really excited to celebrate him. It's been a really nice week. I feel like it's gone by so fast. If you move away from your home city and then you go back and visit, it's like there's just so much to do between spending time with your family, seeing your friends, people that you love. It's a lot. So I'm trying to make it work. And, you know, of course, everyone still has lives, you know, things don't stop just because I'm here. So sometimes it's still hard to coordinate and make it work, especially because I've been here during the week. I'm just gonna do like a brow, maybe a light lash, and very light skin. Hi friends, what's up? Today is Tuesday, Valentine's Day. We got back Sunday afternoon just in time to take a nap before the Super Bowl. We got back, I was so tired, so I slept most of the day and just kind of rested and recovered from our travel. We had the best time. I think that a week definitely wasn't long enough. My husband was only there for half of the time and it just flew by. We really enjoyed it, had a great week in Arizona. I've been posting daily vlogs and stuff on Instagram and TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. I've vlogged a little bit. It's just, vlogging has been hard for me lately. I don't know. I think I've just been more focused on Instagram and TikTok. It's just easier to edit, it's quicker to edit, but I do still enjoy YouTube. Crazy enough, I don't have a computer right now. I'm waiting for a new one to arrive sometime this week, so it's like, I really can't even be editing on my computer right now. So any recording and editing I have to do on my phone, which is where I'm currently recording. Aside from that, because I don't have a computer, I can't work. I wasn't able to work yesterday, Monday, or today, Tuesday. And I don't know when my computer is coming. I don't have a delivery notification yet. So until I get my computer, I'm not working. There's kind of a lot that's happening this week. My parents are coming into town Thursday night. Kieran's parents are actually here in town right now, so we're trying to make it a point to spend time with them and his family this week. And today's Valentine's Day, so we're kind of taking an evening for just us to spend together. But there's a lot of things that I have to do around the house. I have to get the house cleaned. I have to wash the bedding in the guest bedroom before my parents come. We haven't unpacked a single thing from Arizona. Thankfully, while we were there, my mom did pretty much all of our laundry. So it's just a matter of unpacking and repacking for Florida. So this weekend we're going to Florida for a wedding. So I'm just kind of like in a whirlwind, like I don't really know where to start with everything. I think not having my computer, just so happens to not have my computer this week, is kind of like a blessing in disguise because it's given me extra time to do the things that I need to do around the house. And I'm going to try to take full advantage. It's currently 9 a.m. I just took a shower and honestly, I think I'm going to chill for a little bit. I placed a grocery order on Target. Not me saying I have a bunch of things to do, but I'm gonna chill. No, listen. So my plan for today, I might try to rest for a second and then spend the later part of the morning unpacking and cleaning. By any chance my computer shows up, I just want to be ready to work. So I don't want to not have anything done if and when my computer shows up. All right, my Target order just came. So I thought that they were out of this. Thankfully, she was able to find it. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm trying to use it right now. Let me look. Oh, so it's milk and white chocolate. Okay, see both. So good. Hey guys, Valentine's Day. My husband, he's home from work. He told me to come into the room. I don't know what he's doing out there. Hi friends, good morning. I don't know, I haven't picked up the vlog camera in probably at least a week plus. It's just been kind of a whirlwind these last couple weeks in our lives, and we've had a lot happen within our families and stuff, and we've done a lot of traveling, and it's basically just been like back to back. Ever since Nashville, we have been on the go. We've been traveling Arizona, Florida, different parts of Alabama. So it's just been a really crazy month, to be honest. We just got back last night from Jacksonville, Florida. We went for a couple days for my cousin's wedding. Hey friends, come with us to Jacksonville for my cousin's wedding. So we did drive down to Florida. This was a quick trip for us. We were only here for like a day and a half. Checking into our room, we were staying on the Riverwalk. So this was our view from the balcony. It was really nice. We had a couple hours till the wedding, so we went to grab some lunch. This place was so good. Everything was organic and it was delicious. On to the wedding. The ceremony was in this beautiful outdoor space with these fountains and these trees. It was so nice. Then we moved inside for the reception. The drinks were flowing, and it was in this 3-story building. It was a library and a museum. It was definitely giving Sex in the City vibes. It was so nice. We had a great time celebrating my cousin Marissa and her husband, and we were hanging out with my family. We just got to spend some time with them, which was nice. The next morning, we went to this coffee shop called Greenhouse, and it was a coffee shop and a plant shop in one. Coffee and plants, definitely our vibe. It was really nice, and the coffee was good too. So overall, good experience at the Greenhouse. Then we went next door and had breakfast with my family, just kind of hung out with them for a little bit, enjoying this really nice day. It wasn't too hot, thankfully. Then we got back on the road. We actually drove through Tallahassee to visit my brother-in-law on our way home, and that was it. We had a really nice day and a half in Florida. We had a really nice time just hanging out with family. My parents were here as well, so we got to spend some time with them. It's now Tuesday, so we're back to work. Just trying to get back into the swing of things. I have like a lot to catch up on. Having my coffee, of course. And I just got a Whole Foods order in because, of course, with all of our traveling, I hadn't gone grocery shopping. Oh, by the way, did you guys, I think you guys saw these, are Bad Bunny Un Verano Sin Ti album cover artwork. So let's just do a quick Whole Foods haul. So I pretty much just got stuff to prep salads and salsa. So right here we have some almond milk, olive oil, oatmeal. I've been loving oatmeal in the mornings for breakfast. I got some corn for our salad, pumpkin seeds for our salads. And then I'm making some salsa, so I got some lime, onion, tomato, lemon, a couple serrano peppers. And then for our salads, we're gonna do grape tomatoes, a red onion, cilantro for the salsa, cucumber, and then for our base, we're gonna do spinach, kale, this mix here. So this is gonna get us through the week. Probably gonna do like salad prep, so we have some for a few days. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's been going on. That's the update. We're done traveling for about 3 weeks. For now, we're home, we're settling. Our little nuggets right here. Look at those little back legs. My boys. Missed you boys.